Hey, it's Lena Gordon, broker of record with Remax Gordon Group Realty, and today we're going to talk about the stats. And as usual, we are starting from economic indicators. And as you can see, in December 2023, real GDP growth is down. Toronto employment growth is up, it's 3.6%. Toronto unemployment rate is down, it's 6.6%. Inflation is 3.1%, it's staying flat. And Bank of Canada overnight rate in December 2023 was 5%, and it was on a hold for 2-3 last months. And prime rate in most of the Canadian banks in December 2023 it's 7.2%. If you look on the mortgage rate, it's a fixed mortgage rate, they start to go down. Next, total residential transaction. And as you can see, in December 2023, we sold 11.5% more than in December 2022, and it's a very good sign. And if you look at the seasonal adjustments, in December 2023, we sold 21.3% more than in November 2023. And this usually happens when we start to enter the good year for real estate. Average selling price. In December 2023, average price went up 3.2% to compare to December 2022. And with all these promises that we go into recession, the housing market, I think, performing very well. And if you look at the seasonal adjustments in December 2023 to compare to November 2023, the average selling price went up by 2.5%, and this is a lot just for increase in 1 month. New listings. We still kind of low on the new listing coming to the market. In December 2023, we had a minus 6.6% new listing to compare to December 2002. And if you look on the sales to new listing ratio, in December 2023 it was 89%, and it's 15% more to compare to December 2022. And I want to repeat that sales to new listing ratio usually shows what market we are. If we are on the seller's market, balance market, or the buyer's market. And days on the market in December 2023, days on the market are up by 22.5% to compare to December 2022. And this is normal for the buyer's market. And now it's taken 49 days to sell the property. Now my favorite slide, sales and average price by major home type. It's always interesting to see how everything is changing, because last month, November 2023, best performance we had for detached houses in 416 area, and now we can see in December the average price for detached houses in 416 area and down by 0.3% to compare to December 2022. But average selling price for 905 properties, detached properties, went 3.1% up to compare to December 2022, and it's a good sign. People start to buy, but they are going more in 905 area where its property are cheaper. But look at this number. Townhouses in 416 area, the average selling price went by 25.3% to compare to December 2020. So that shows, in my opinion, that people still tend to buy in Toronto because most of the jobs are in Toronto, but it's hard to be approved by very expensive properties, so they're going for less expensive property, and it's usually townhouses. If we look on the condo apartment in 416 area, the price is down by 4.1%. So I think it's very good opportunity to buy a condo in 416 area, because with all the immigration and people coming back to Toronto, because in Toronto we have most jobs located in Toronto area, so people will buy more in Toronto. So now it's a good time because the prices will go up. And now let's summarize everything. If we look at the how we started this year, I mean 2023, everyone was promising we're going to recession and it will be lots of power of sale and housing market will collapse. And if we look at the results for December 2023, we see that yes, the prices went down, but they went down when they went up in the beginning of the year, and after from that point they went down. And if you compare to December last year, they're still up by 3.2%. And interest rate is stable, inflation is stable, and the central bank is promising to get the interest rate down, and all the buyers sitting on the fence have a lot of demand. It's just the people were waiting what's going on, because there is so many negative headlines. So all these people are going to buy and the prices will go up. So if you're thinking about buying, let's talk today how we can get you good property, and maybe we can take a longer possession. So by the time you close the property, the interest rate will go down. Anyway, any house, any area, it's always different and it's performing different. Everyone has a different situation. So reach out and we'll go through your situation with you. And I want to say that's everything for today, and I'll see you for the next market update next month. Thank you.